Welcome to Live Today for Tomorrow. I'm starting this channel for all the people like me who need to lose weight and are looking for easy beginner workouts and beginner low impact exercises. I know a thing or two about losing weight and just what the challenges are. 15 years ago, I lost 80 pounds and I kept it off for almost 10 years, but then I managed to gain back all that weight. What had worked for me back then was consistency. Better, healthy eating, working out, and finding new ways to exercise, and in general, being more mindful. Maybe you and I have something in common. You haven't worked out in years, or you've never exercised, or you have health problems and feel overwhelmed at how to even begin working out. Have you noticed there aren't many plus-size workouts, and the videos that say they're beginner exercises look like this? I was really surprised and disheartened at that. I'm not ready for those exercises, but I will be soon, and I'd love to have your support and do this together with you. I'm going to lose 70 pounds in the next 12 months. That's just 6 pounds a month. Easy, gradual, safe. We can do this. I used to think if only I got to my goal weight, it would be motivation enough to keep from regaining the weight. It wasn't true. I didn't really feel slim. I felt like I still had my problem areas in my midsection and in my legs. And very slowly, I let myself indulge again in unhealthy food choices. The weight kept creeping back on, and then I was in denial. I was telling myself I'd do something about it tomorrow. That was what I told myself for years. The hardest part for me has always been starting. I'm going to outline what worked for me before as I do this again each step of the way, with no supplements and powders and cleanses. First, this is going to sound cliche. You need a positive attitude. You just need to believe that you can. That is 100% the way it starts. I cannot overstate that. No one on this earth cannot lose weight. It's scientifically impossible that you can't do it. Start by looking at what you're eating and look for some easy ways to gradually cut calories. We'll then be using our own body weight to gently work out with beginner exercises until we've lost some weight and feel more comfortable exercising. Here, check this out. It may not be perfect, but it got my blood pumping. I'll soon be posting tons of easy beginner workouts for plus-size people so that everyone can join in. Now, if someone told me just give up sweets and cookies and bread and dairy and you'll lose weight, I would panic a bit. That's how I know I'm not that person who needs to lose a few holiday pounds where they just cut out snacks for a month and then their goal is met. I got here because I misuse food. It's been my drug of choice. It started for me when I was about 8 years old. For those who don't struggle with their weight, they don't get that food and overeating can be a comfort, a tool to keep other people away, an anxiety reducer, a way to deal with negative feelings. But those same people probably smoke, they drink in excess, they medicate to feel better, or they just have other habits that aren't healthy. So let's not judge anyone. Look around. It seems like half the population, at least in the United States, struggles with their weight, and food manufacturers know what buttons to push to keep us hooked. Sugar, salt, fast food, caffeine and soda, rich desserts, all the money that's spent on careful target marketing. You may have a weight issue because of a past situation. Something happened physically, emotionally, mentally. Then this is the time to stop giving away your control. Stop letting your past win. That's why I called this channel Live Today for Tomorrow. We've had the strength, the power, the control all along. It's like owning the most powerful sports car, and we let it get towed around or let it sit in the garage. This sounds corny, but turn the ignition, get fired up, and soon you'll see just how powerful you are. Trust me, it was like a light bulb going off when I was halfway to my goal the last time. It was like a fog had been lifted, and I was shocked that I had the ability to do this right in front of me the whole time at my fingertips. That's what I meant earlier when I said it all starts with believing that you can do this. You'll see. This is a message to my future self. You're welcome. I'm doing this for you, future self. I know it's up to me here and now. Have you ever had a big goal you met where you completed a project or you got a promotion at work? How did you do that? Day after day, you did your best. You kept your eye on the finish line. When I think about my past accomplishments, I'm thankful for my past self, for making the decision to start and putting in the hard work for me to be where I'm at now in my life. Because I've lost weight before and learned how to gradually begin exercising at home, stretching, modifying my food, I am 100% confident I'm going to do this. I recently started working on becoming certified as a personal trainer. So yes, I am serious. This is happening. And you can watch my future videos and I'll meet my goals. I'll be here to encourage you and keep you going as well. Nothing could make me happier than to know that I can impact and help improve someone's life in the same way. As a matter of fact, I feel confident that's why I'm here at this point in time and getting fit all over again. So thank you for being a part of this with me. You are worth it and deserve this too. I promise you this will be worth doing. Since starting is the hardest part, I'm making another video about the 2 simple words that will make all the difference in your life. What do you think those 2 words are? I have so much more to tell you. Click subscribe now so you don't miss out. I'm going to go make a workout video. Meanwhile, tell me in the comments if you can relate to anything I said.